What is up YouTube? It's your boy Jay Hernandez and we're back with another video. I know yesterday's mood was kind of low, but hopefully we're going to get something resolved with Go. Thanks to you guys for speaking out about the subject and about the thing that was going on with me and Go. I appreciate you guys so much, man. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. So in today's video, it's going to be pretty much just doing something that I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers doing in this app that they're telling people to download, and I want to see if it works. We are going to be legit checking these UNC Off-White Jordan 1s, because if these are fake, and I just legit checked my Travis Scott's, and I'll show you guys at the end of the video what happened with those. But if these end up being fake, I'm really done. I'm done with the sneaker game. I'm never buying anything crazy like this. I'm never freaking, I don't know, I might just go crazy. But anyway, we're about to legit check this sneaker. I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna do it. Like I said, I've been seeing it, like Kai Somar just dropped a video today of legit checking the same shoe, and a lot of other sneaker YouTubers have been making videos legit checking these hype sneakers and seeing if they're legit or not. So I am going to be legit checking mine right now with you guys. So let's do this together and let's check it out. You guys can see my phone right here. You can figure out how to do this again. Well, new check. Okay, so I hit the new check and then we're going to put basketball picture. You can see the examples. I'm just gonna skip that. It tells you exactly right here how to the example pictures and what you need to do, and it'll tell you step by step. So it says that I gotta take pictures, so I'm gonna go here, camera. So I want you to take a side view of the shoe, so I'm gonna take a side view picture. Boom, use photo. Then it wants me to do the inside label, so I'm gonna get the camera, and this one's, oh okay, this one won't be that tough because the inside label's just right here. So we're gonna take a picture of the inside label. Bam. I'm gonna retake that one because that one's kind of blurry. There we go. Let's see if I can get that. There we go. That's a good picture right there. So we're gonna use that picture right there. Now it wants me to take a picture of the insole. Take the insole out. Now we're gonna take a picture of the inside of the shoe. See if I can get a good look. I don't know how I could get a good look. I'll probably just, let me turn around this way. I know that's kind of weird, but let me turn around this way and see if. So there's that picture. I'm going to retake it. It's a little blurry. Boom. Okay, there we go. That's a decent picture. So now it wants me to take a picture of the insole, the bottom of the insole. So let's take a picture of that. So we're going to take a picture of that. That's the bottom of the insole. Now it wants me to take a picture of the box. Let me put this back inside. So here we have the box. We're going to take a picture of the label of the box. I might have to turn it this way because of the lighting. Get a little bit closer. That's a good picture right there. Now it wants me to take a picture of the date of the box. So I'm going to take a picture of, hold on, let me, and then you could cancel and you could see you go to the example photos and it kind of tells you where. Okay, so it wants me to take a picture of the date. I don't even know if there's a date in here. Let me see. I have all the extra laces in here. I don't know. I'm just going to take a picture of this side thing right here on the box. So I'll take a picture of that. Okay. That's the paper. Use a photo, whatever. Now I'm going to take a picture of additional pictures. So you have to take a few more pictures, just additional pictures of the sneaker. So pretty much you could do like, I seen like you do the front of the shoe. So you show the tag and just grab the shoe and just take a picture of the front of the shoe. Boom, there we go. I'm gonna show the tag though. Maybe it'll make a difference. I don't know if it will or not. Well, shit, I don't think it will. I don't think it will make a difference, so I'm just gonna take a picture like that. I want to get a good picture. I don't want to get like a crappy picture. Let's see. Pretty much took that. Then I'm going to take a picture of the back of the shoe. There's the back of the shoe. And then we're just going to take a picture of the bottoms, made with the zip tie. So we'll get the zip tie right here. And just take, I'm going to take a picture right here and see if it makes any difference. So take a picture of the bottoms with the zip tie. So there we go. We took a picture of the bottoms. I don't know what else it wants. It wants to do 6 pictures. I could just take a picture of both of them from the front. or like this, I guess. I don't know. Camera. So there's that. Take a picture of them like that. Boom. And I think that's good enough. Let me see. Okay, yeah, so it's saying that I'm gonna choose the 30-minute one. Next. Confirm. Let's see, it's taking a little while. Alright, so it was requested. Submit new request back to home. So there we go. So we just took the pictures. We gotta wait 30 minutes. I'm gonna get on some Warzone, and then once we get done with that, we will find out if the shoe is legit or not. If it isn't, if the shoe is not legit, I'm gonna lose my shit, bro. So I think we have our results in. Let's check it out. Let's see if this shoe is fake or real. I hope it's real, but let's check it out. There you guys have it. Finally, after a few minutes, the shoe is legit. It passed, and the Travis Scott's passed as well, thank God. Those are some of my most expensive sneakers in my collection. At first, they were telling me that it wasn't able to verify. They did return my credits whenever they weren't able to verify the sneakers, so they returned my credits. And then I went ahead and I took better pictures, and the shoe passed. There you guys see it. Thank God, man. So we're gonna have to try this test on the Fear Gods if I do get them back. Hopefully I don't get them back, and hopefully they're able to solve this through whichever way they can, so I just get my money back. But I really wanted to try this out because I've been seeing a lot of popular YouTubers try this, and I just wanted to check it out for myself since I'm not sponsored. Nobody knows who I am. I'm just a little freaking YouTuber guy. I just wanted to check this out for myself, and the sneakers both passed. I'm glad. I'm happy. I'm good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit a thumbs up for me. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you guys are liking the content. And thank you to everybody again that helped me. You guys stay tuned to the channel. It's your boy Jay Hernandez, and we're out of here. Peace.